Good day out there, scrappers. How are you today? Yeah, Billy Bill Scrapper here. I'm going to show you, now I got used how to do this the stripping machine. Okay? This is 16 gauge wire. There's 3 wires in here. 8 foot long. Okay? This is the casing thing. 8 foot, and plus I had to cut off the other section that's laying over here. This piece here, because it was joined together here. Whatever, I don't know what this came off of. But anyway, see, I got this, you really don't need it with this kind of wire, but just to show you, this is the limiter, right? So you feed the wire through here. You could do it after you put this in, right? And you set your rollers here, here, and the blade, and cutting, right? Now this outer part, I'm just going to do this by hand. Okay? You don't want it too tight. If you got it too tight, you got a lot of drag on it and you're not going to get it. Let me put the camera down so I got some support here. Now let's see, where can I put the camera so you can see? Okay, that's a good spot. Right there. And then I'm going to show you how you use the drill. And this is a 25 foot of wire or better when you put all 3 pieces together. See how nice and quick that is? Very little pull here. Very little. Not that hard. Easy. $70. It's all it costs. Goddamn, stop killing yourselves. Go ahead and spend a little bit of fucking money once in a while. Like when they say you gotta spend money to make money. Yeah, look, big boom, out, done. Hey, put this in my trash bag over here. Then I got the 3 pieces here. We're gonna wind them real fast and easy. I do not own this music. Some defunct music from way back in the 80s. Underground music was, so I don't know what the fuck it's from. Without airplay, none of it, really. None of it. Okay, now, this is a different gauge wire here, as you can see. Hey. Yeah, it's oh yeah, it's 8 foot. It's 8 foot. I can tell way over my head. I'm 5'10" and a half, 5'11". Yeah. Now, what I gotta do is I'm gonna have to readjust everything here. There we go. Cutting blade, I'm gonna put that in there. See if I got it right. I hope. Ah! Damn it. This is the only thing it takes. And once you got it set for that gauge wire, have all your wires separated, you know. I got 16 gauge, I got 18 gauge, I got 12, I got 14s, I got 10s, I got 8s. You know, stranded, solid, all kinds. Go on here, there's trash can here. Look at it, man, I got a ton of wire in there. Electric motor stuff, I already did that move. Get over there. Yeah, I probably could have had this done already, you know, but I'm talking to you and just showing you the correct way to do this, the fastest and easiest way possible, and you hook up your drill like this, like I did here. Spool device, any kind of spool, even this would be a good spool. You take out the center of it, you know, and put a piece of, because I don't think the plastic's strong enough to hold up when you're pulling on it. But this would be good because you'd have, you know, the two washers on the end, right? And the center part would be empty. You know, you take out the filter part. And there would be a nice spool too. I'm holding on to that because it's, you know. Okay, let's see what I got here. I should have it right now. Let's get my regular pliers to pull through. And it's a little too much drag. It's too tight. No, I don't think so. It's a good clean slit. It's not burring on the wire. Use the heavy vice grips. Ah, damn it. I forgot to tighten the knob in the back for the blade. Ah, that's pretty. That's pretty. Yeah, there we go. Now, see, instead of cutting it and then peeling the wire out, what you do is take it out of here. I didn't get the verbiage. I forgot to cut this off. Dummy. Face palm. Here we go. And it comes with two blades. They're very tough tempered titanium steel, sharp, and they'll replace the blade. You get a year out of these, no problem. Now you see how I got this wire separated like this? I hope, can you see this? Let me see. See that? I got the insulation down here, right? I'm gonna pull both of them through. Right? Now, through the spool, I'll wrap the insulation around. Right? I'm going to start it by hand a little bit. Alright, not tight enough, damn it. Just tie a regular old fucking slip knot in here, you know, double knot, like that. That's all. Okay. Now, this, hold with the pliers. What's wrong here? It came out of the, oh Jesus Christ. Face palm. Forgot to plug it in. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me show you how to, I'll show you that later. How you mount your drill with some junk. Son of a bitch. Okay. Wait a minute. That didn't work. I thought the insulation. No, I forgot. This insulation is not that thick. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna slide this down here. I don't care about that. Makes a good washer. Yeah, that's right. It makes a good one so the wire stays here instead of getting wrapped around the drill button. That's all. Just wind the wire. You don't have to tie a knot in it. Okay, comes off nice and clean. You ain't got to peel it out. There's no burring. I went a little too fast and that's alright. No big deal. Well done. Now, see the way I got this drill set? I got a little 2 blocks of wood here. So it's up. So I can hit the reverse switch. See? Air conditioner fin end, right? I had to put heavier screws in here because the long ones didn't work out. So yeah, you set that 2 screws there. 2 screws over here. I use this washer so the screw don't slip through the hole. This was a smaller hole, so that's cool. Your regular sheetrock screws, you know, you do 1.5 inch ones. That's all. That's nice and secure. This is from an air conditioner condenser, the bracket, you know, that goes around it. That's it. Then they're tight. You gotta hold this thing tight. Hey! Let's reverse the wire. Nice and easy. No stress on your hand, your back, nothing. I could go through 5-10 pounds a night, you know, in a couple of hours. But I'm not going to do all the wire. Alright. This trash. This. In my trash bag right here. See, I got it here so I don't have to clean up all this shit on the floor again. Let's do the next piece. That's already set. What I'm going to do is I'm going to so it's easier to get it started. That's all. That's all you got to do. Amazon.com. $70 was shipped within 3 days. I was like a kid waiting for fucking Christmas when I got this thing. want the blade too tight, man, because then you got too much drag and you're going to, the wire's going to, you know, this kind of wire is going to rip on you. The solid core, no problem, but you still don't want a lot of drag on that blade. You got to set it just right, you know. That's all, just twist it around like that, nice and tight. Don't need no gloves. What the fuck do you need gloves for? Put this on the floor. See, that's why you can't go too fast. I gotta go back the other way. No big deal. Untwist it. That's 2 pieces. You see how long it is? It's like, whoa. Yeah, 8 foot. That's 16 foot. Here's another piece. And also, you want to get some spray lube to keep lubricating this while you're cutting a lot of wire. I got to bring mine down here. So, you know, just a little bit. Keep it in there. You want to keep that blade wet. You want to keep your rollers wet to stop them from grinding and binding, and they'll last a lot longer. Trust me, I've been there 9 million times. One in here. This is the 3rd and final piece. Now, of course, when you got a real short piece, like only 4 foot to 7, you know, to 6 foot long, do it by hand. You know, I'm thinking of like moving the drill closer so I don't have that much space here wasted, but it's the angle too. If you do it by hand, don't pull with your fucking hands. Don't be stupid. I'm telling you, when you got a lot of wire to do, you have a lot of pain. I don't care how old you are, how strong you think you are. When you got a lot of torque pounds per pull, inch, you know, pounds per inch, body suffers. Yeah, I'm old. Way older than most of you motherfuckers out there, I'll tell you that much. I want to last. Shit. This thing is very touchy with its speed control. Son of a bitch. and trash it. And we're done. 24 feet. Less than a minute each fucking 8-foot section. That's it. Put it in the bag. Look at that baby. Cha-ching. Slide. Scrap man's gold. The scrapper's gold, baby. #1 bear braid. Look at this. Look at this. Look how much I've done so far. That's it. But I'm not going to do too much more wire because I got more copper. Only doing today, the copper tubes. And all the copper I took last time with the brass and the aluminum from the air conditioner and the aluminum I had, the windows and all,